Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create DeepL account on PC. To create DeepL account on PC, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.deepl.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of DeepL. Now here you can see sign up option on top right side. Click on sign up option. With that, here you'll be taken to the sign up page. Now here you need to first enter the email address that you want to use to create your DeepL account on the given box. After entering your email address, click on the option of continue. Now here you need to set a password for your account. Make sure you use at least of 8 characters for your password. Then if you want to receive updates from DeepL, then you can click on the given box. After that, click on the option of create account. With that, your account will be created. This is the free version account that you have created on DeepL. As you can see here, my account has been created. This is how we can create DeepL account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.